you're gonna push. Then we'll have Casey, Michael, and Will be the stand. Then
We're gonna catch some deer today.
We're gonna try to push them out of these thickets.
Catch some deer.
We're catching deer?
Catching deer.
Catching deer today. Come on, man. How long it? You take a 20-minute poop? You want to start at the Peach Orchard? What way? We'll go to the camp. We'll cut in.
Just wait until I yell, hey, because I'll be the last person. I'll come all the way down.
You're going all the way that way.
We'll go all the way up there. And then
No, I'm talking about when we start at the Peach Orchard, we're working this way, we're heading west.
We're going to walk in this way, and then we're going to push this way.
Oh, we're going to start.
I actually pants. That damn chilly.
I just want to clarify that,
I thought I was going to make it back to the truck.
Zach, we're going to trade your gun out for a different gun.
Okay.
You're going to push.
Sounds good.
We're just going to come at them.
I almost
It's in the front seat.
Right.
You're chilly, man. Dude, I got down to the stand a little bit early. I'm going to get back to the truck. Because I think I'm going to head over to the gas station. I'm going to want to save this one for the gas station. Get almost to the main trail here. Also, no. I was losing the battle, man. Tossed my backpack on the ground, yanked my pants off. Holy. Oh my God.
You're going to walk.
You're going to walk.
I'm fine. I had toilet paper, so my ass is just a bit raw.
Okay, what guns we swapping here and what are we doing? Baby, make sure you're dressed warm.
You want more bullets?
That's 30-30.
Yeah.
It's only got 5. You want more? Nate? What's Nate gonna walk with? His 308?
Damn right.
Okay.
He's going to have to. I'm going to put this in your truck. You want to unlock it?
Yeah.
I just didn't want to
You said
bring the
there's 9
snow
in it?
all the snow.
Let's see, deer is going down.
You only put something in that one.
Oh, you want to put something in
Zach.
Make sure I got enough bullet. I got one in.
Should I throw my 44 on me?
What's up? If you want to go like this, whatever.
So do you want to shoot one with it?
You know,
If they're close, I'm going to pull my 44 out.
You know if this works.
Well, listen to Nate.
And one of us kills a giant buck.
They might.
You got pushers and tuggers.
Right. Don't hesitate. Just let it rip. We're gonna yell the whole. Oh, Zach, you gotta yell when you're in there.
Your test spot.
Because we could literally, there's so much snow, we could probably walk 20 feet from a deer, and if it sees us, we don't see it, it won't move. Go in there and start yelling. Cover that bald head up, though.
Right, dude. That thing's
bright. Bright as out here.
Damn,
No,
can the
don't cover
camera
it up.
see?
Don't cover it up. Melt the snow.
Well, if it stays like this, we're all right. But it looks like, I don't know.
Hey, looks like it's going to do it all day.
I can't wait to park.
Just remember, Michael, you can get the deer to stop, too. Just yell. And if they don't stop,
Just
then
say,
that's
hey.
when you unload.
Yeah, just yell.
Well, once they come out of these thickets, they're going to be a little confused.
I always
So they
just
might
yell.
stop.
Just yell, hey.
Yeah, because there hasn't been enough people here shooting.
They-
If it was like
I don't even think they're
next
spooked.
weekend, then
Yeah, I don't think
you're yelling,
they're
ain't gonna
spooked
do
at all. I don't think they're pressured yet, and I don't think they're spooked.
No, this weather's got
Sleeping in there. Bad thing is you got to find a trail to walk down. It's thick in there. Blaze yourself through.
just blaze through there.
Let's do it. Baby, grab your gun.
Got the wagon, sir.
Hey, Brandon, next time you cut a dead tree up, try to cut it straight, bro.
Right.
They give us some crooked ones. They won't even stand up.
Oh, it's the snow.
Oh, yeah.
You guys are putting it on unlevel ground, that's why.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Hey,
I'm over ground when
Thanks for getting firewood.
cut is doing this.
Hey, we're doing our part too. Everybody's pitching in.
I'm gonna go
Good job.
I'm gonna go cut that other branch up, and
What?
then we should have enough
Is the
wood.
toilet
Cut it
open?
up, dude.
First tree you cut, you still got a decent.
We're all in the mood. And the good thing is, we do it now.
I didn't grab.
Hey, we do it now, then we ain't got to worry about the rest of the weekend. yourself out.
Covered up now, so it'll be someone else's surprise.
I want you to walk over there.
Really? The camera on? You have to delete what I said about that, but
No, keep that on there. Makes for good content.
With the rated R one?
I bet you I can split that one-handed.
I could.
Okay, you're breathing heavy, dude. You need a cigarette?
oh,
Jesus Christ, you almost took your old lady out.
What the f was that?
God, yeah, he almost killed you.
Show you how to do it.
I was talking about the big one.
So he's splitting that big one
Hey,
one-handed.
Zach,
What's up?
glad you kept this on ice for me, man.
Hey, you guys stopping at the dollar
I did.
store?
Yeah. Kept it on ice all night. Cold. Way to go.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
side of it.
Hey, here.
Yeah, all kinds of money.
All right, go catch our check.
I need it. Grab me a
It's in the truck.
And some visor.
either a 6 or a 12 pack of Dr. Cherry.
Dr. Pepper cherry.
Dr. Pecker.
If you like Dr. Pepper, they're having a sit. It's
We
today
put
the
that one up?
19th.
Yeah, my dog's really
I
good.
think it's still going on through today.
Hey, you want to talk to me? The other
Okay.
way?
They got a sale where it's 3 for 12.
That's an old
12
fire
pack.
truck.
Where at?
Dollar General. That's where I got my shit yesterday.
What do you need, Riley?
Man, if you want to
Yeah,
do
walk.
that, there's like
Right there,
$14.
grab that big one.
It's up to you. Whatever you
Yeah,
want.
this is, that's fine.
Okay. You want 3 for 12? You want the normal Dr. Pepper? Or you want like
You got 12 here too. Whatever, it don't matter.
Michael, I have Dr.
I'll drink them all.
soda. I won't drink it
I
all.
like the bottles.
Okay.
Oh, you talking the bottles, not the cans?
Oh, I guess it don't matter.
The cans is what the sale was.
It don't matter.
What do you want?
Just Dr. Pepper. Cans, bottles, I don't care.
Cheers.
Cherry Dr. Pepper. Yeah.
Cherry?
You know, you mix that with certain alcohol. My wife used to do that. Oh, you can't
I
taste
do.
it.
Southern Comfort.
That might have been it.
Yeah. Dr. Comfort. Dr. Comfort.
Is that what they call it?
Yeah.
3 cases of cherry
Get it,
Dr.
Riley,
Pepper.
get it.
One
This
cherry.
one don't want
If
split.
you're out of cherry, you want normal?
I think that's it for splitting.
They got all of them. You want all 3 cherry? Or do you want cherry, normal?
It don't matter. However you want to do it.
Get it. Let's go, buddy.
It's Dr. Pepper. I'll drink it.
One more.
That's because he's got to split the other way first.
He killed it.
And he almost had it split the other way.
Like a bird. Hey, we know what we need to listen to right now? We need some Christmas music.
My computer's at 26%, and I'm like,
Yeah,
yeah,
let's listen to some
fuck
Christmas
this. I
Where's you want to
cannot-
kiss?
Oh,
I can't listen to her talk
Rudolph,
anymore.
with your nose so bright, I'm gonna shoot your ass tonight. And how the reindeers fucked
We
them.
ain't done yet.
How is he still believing us?
Yeah, still, we'll get him.
I told you to get it, Riley.
no, I can't get it.
Take a smoke break, dude. We got a little while yet.
We got all the time. We're
Hey,
probably
Zach. You might want to grab a propane
Zach.
tank.
You might want to grab the tank, buddy. Well, I'm just saying, if you're going to get propane, you kind of need a tank.
Unless you're gonna put it in your pocket. I'd say that.
Unless you're
course you
gonna,
got that on
unless you're
camera,
gonna
right?
suck the propane hose, hold it in your mouth, come back, put it in the tank.
I've done worse, Adam.
I've been done worse for less.
Burn them.
We're gonna help you out a little bit.
They burn better when they're split.
Okay.
They do burn better when they're split.
Gotta watch it when you
You
split.
want me to split them ones, Riley?
I'll get it.
Here, I'll get it, buddy.
I got this.
Thanks, Zach.
Yep.
I didn't want to ask.
arguing over who's
Thank Adam.
Hear
He's the
me?
one that reminded me.
I'm doing it.
Hear me?
What's that?
I didn't want to ask
You didn't want to ask what?
for help.
For help?
Propane?
Oh, that's fine.
I feel like a bum.
You are.
I'm
You are.
sleeping in your camper. Who's the bum, buddy?
Yeah, but you never even rolled over and gave me a, you know.
You were sleeping. You're a deep sleeper, my guy.
You almost died the first night.
That's Zach's fault. He drugged me.
Hey, Brandon.
Did your dad leave
When you
already?
get back, you want to get the rest of it?
Yeah, she's gone.
When are we doing group photo? Tomorrow?
I think
Oh, tonight. Yeah, he did say
Yeah, what
tonight.
channel's your gas music
Y'all picking
on?
up Andy?
What's that?
What channel's your music on?
107 or
1057,
Yeah.
the star.
Oh, I ain't listening to Christmas music at deer camp.
Yes, we are for a little while.
No.
Let's do it.
No, it's not even Thanksgiving.
No.
Yeah, Thanksgiving.
Literally, I will listen to Andy.
You know
I'm
what?
not listening to Christmas
Gary,
music at
you
deer
are
camp.
cut off.
I cannot
Hey,
believe.
so like my wife.
I can't believe we're gonna ride this storm out.
Although I will watch all the Christmas Hallmark movies.
So do I. I mean, I don't.
Yeah, but Riley, in about
Hey,
5 years,
I
we
don't
can
do
look
that.
back and be like, hey, you guys remember that time we rode the blizzard?
I think some of them little towns are bad
this next
to the
I know. I googled them just. To,
Fuck the way you drive. He did, I bet.
Calm down.
I wasn't against fuck.
Oh shit, that's a big ass dent on the side.
Tell he went down his road. Don't look how dirty that bitch.
Oh no, this one. This one.
It's this road.
Yeah.
so what'd you do when I was doing homework? What did everyone do?
Well, we split some wood, and then my brother texted me and told me to be calm and don't be that mad because he borrowed my truck. And, well, thank God it's not smashed. You're a funny guy, huh? I thought you put it in the ditch or something. The road's bad?
My miles here.
Really?
I got changed to snow, man.
Really?
Easy. What?
Do you
Good,
really?
good thing you didn't take my car.
Yeah, no, I probably got stuck in the driveway.
Did you plow your drive? Oh, you four-wheelers here? Hey, we borrowed your four-wheeler and your brother-in-law ran out of gas.
No,
You didn't run out of gas.
he didn't run out.
I know, that thing's full.
Oh.
I know.
Because we went and got wood.
That thing's full, dude. You ain't running that out of gas.
Was your pellet stove?